In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a case with Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. So, let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to log in to your Salesforce account. If you haven't visited Salesforce for a while, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the current interface. Once you're in, switch to your service type app. This might be labeled something like Service or Support Console, depending on how your organization has configured it. This is where all customer service-related activities are managed. Next, turn your attention to the navigation bar at the top of your screen. Look for the Cases tab. This is your gateway to all things regarding customer support and cases. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to a page that lists all the cases currently in your system, providing an overview of ongoing support activities. Now, to start creating a new case, you'll want to locate a button that says New, or sometimes plus New Case. Click on this button and it will open up the case creation form where you'll input the necessary details. Salesforce is designed to streamline this process for you, but you'll still need to ensure all the pertinent information is correctly filled in. If your organization uses record types, you'll be prompted at this stage to select one. Record types allow you to categorize your cases into different types or categories for better organization and reporting. Choose the one that best represents the case you are dealing with. With the form now in front of you, it's time to fill in the required fields. Start with the basics, such as the contact name and account name. These fields help identify what customer and account the case is related to, so accuracy here is key. Next, you'll need to specify the case origin. This indicates how the support issue was received, whether through email, phone, or another channel. Then, there's the subject and description fields, which are crucial. The subject should be concise, yet descriptive, while the description should provide all the important details of the issue being reported. Don't forget about setting the status, priority, and type if those fields are configured in your setup. Your organization may have specific guidelines for these, so be sure to follow them. This information helps the support team understand how urgent the issue is and what category it falls under. Once everything is filled in and double-checked for accuracy, click the Save button. Congratulations! You have now created a new case. You'll automatically be taken to the case's detail page where you can view all the information you just entered and track the progress of the case as it moves through your organization's support process. That's it. You've successfully opened a case with Salesforce. Remember, accurately capturing all relevant details at this stage is essential for efficient case management and resolution. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your experience with Salesforce even smoother.